Hey guys, it's a makeup video by Miss Sovi. Long time no see. So we're going to do a soft glam today. I'm going to start with my eyebrows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. Using my angle brush, and I'm just going to clean up using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. That's going to be used as my eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to take my sponge and buff that out, blend it in, get it smooth. Don't judge my sponge. Leave me alone. This is my makeup, not makeup for other people. I'm going to go in using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. And I use two colors, Credit and Edges. And I just kind of just go in back and forth, blending them out. Then I'm going to prime my face using, my primer is Smashbox Minimize Pores Primer. I'm going to put on my lashes, but I ended up changing my lashes because I didn't like how these were fanning out. And I ended up using a lash by Style God Pantry. I'm so sorry, guys. I can't remember the name because I keep mixing up the boxes. I'm going to go in using my foundation, Juvia's Sticks. And the brown, the color of my skin is going to be Cameroon. And I'm going to use Tunisia as a contour color. And I just kind of go in and blend them back and forth using my Morphe buffer brush. Just back and forth, back and forth. Then I'm going to go back again using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee to highlight under my eyes and my T-zone and my highlight areas. There's so many concealers out there, but this still remains my favorite for me. There's MAC, there's a lot of others. But I'm going to go back in using my sponge, and I'm going to blend out underneath my eye and on my highlighted areas using this back and forth. I'm going to pounce. I'm not going to swipe because I want the product to stay on. I did let it dry for like a few seconds before I started working on this. I was going out when I did this video. Then I'm going to set my highlighted areas using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Clown. I'm sorry, guys, but I have to clean my camera off, and then I go ahead, and I'm not really of a baker, but I do let it set for a little bit because I have dry skin, so I'm not too heavy on the baking technique. I go ahead and I dust the translucent powder off, setting powder off. And then I go ahead and I set with my Ben Nye Final Seal Setting Spray, my holy grail. This is my baby. I go to anytime that you see me use a setting spray, just know that that is one of them, or that is the main one. I'm going to go ahead now and just try to dry my setting spray. And what I like to do is press that spray out, or press the spray into my skin using a brush, sometimes a big puffer pad or a sponge, so that you don't leave any of the drip marks on your foundation application. Then I'm going to contour using my powder by RK by Kiss, and I'm just going to go over my highlighted areas, make them pop a little bit, and then kind of touch up with the same eyeshadow palette under my waterline, and just kind of blend everything in now so I can look like people. Wherever I took it too much with the contour, I'm just going to go over that with my foundation brush. I line my lips with MAC Chestnut. It's like my favorite pencil forever and all times. Then I'm going to use Morphe Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Brunch. And I still wanted an extra pop, so I'm using Lady by Juvia's Place, a matte lipstick. And there you have it. Here is the Soft Glam by Miss Sovi.